the complete guide to planking every day and the benefits it will bring to your life. What is the planking challenge? The planking challenge is a trend that started in 2010, and it was an activity that involved people lying face down on the ground. The person would then raise their body up on their elbows, toes, or hands to create the letter L. This trend was popularized by a group of Australian teenagers who called themselves the Lads. They were looking for something to do after school, and this seemed like a good idea at the time. People plank because they want to show off how strong and fit they are. It also gives them an opportunity to brag about how much they can do with their bodies. The most recent incident happened at a Toronto fitness event called Spartan Race. A few people started competing during the event to see who could carry the heaviest object in their backpacks for 1 mile. People started using these types of incidents as opportunities to make fun of others, which is what happened when some participants placed some heavy objects on the smaller participants. How planking every day will improve mental health, physical health, social well-being and more. The idea of planking every day is to plank for a set time every day, and then log it on the app. There are different levels, so you can start with just 1 minute, and gradually increase the time. It sounds simple in theory, but it's surprisingly difficult. The plank is not just about building strength in your core muscles, it's also about building mental toughness. Here's what it's like to complete a plank. 1. Start in the standard push-up position. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. It should feel like you're trying to draw up a bucket of water with your belly button. Hold for at least 10 seconds or for as long as you can without any help from your hands. Take the plank challenge and start planking every day today. It is time to take the plank challenge and start planking every day today. The plank challenge is a 30-day challenge that will help you get a flat stomach, lose weight, and strengthen your core. It's also a great way to relieve stress and improve your mental health. In this article, we will show you how to do the plank challenge in 3 simple steps. 1. Get yourself into a plank position. 2. Raise your right hand to shoulder height and your left arm down to the floor at about 45 degrees from your body. 3. Repeat on the other side with your left hand up and right arm down.